Hey guys, it's marcraftsy here and I'm back with my Coco Daisy setup part 2, and welcome back and welcome who is joining me for this first time. And as you can see, I wanted to change the cover for my Coco Daisy Dori, which is a personal size. And first time after reveal I have seen these papers, I was so in love with them, and I wanted to get another batch of the papers, but oh well, it just didn't came to be because I literally slept through the reveal, and so I only have the 6 papers as usual. And I was very nervous about this cover change because I wanted to fussy cut the flower that's peeking out of this teacup, and I am not so good at fussy cutting. I don't really have a good scissor to begin with, so I am changing up the covers and I'm seeing if I should maybe do another paper, but in the end I still have gone with this one, and it was a very good decision and I like it a lot. So yeah, I am very bad at measuring or eyeballing or how to do things just in generally. I love to craft, but that wouldn't mean from the first that I am good at it. So yeah, just bear with me. I am fussy cutting now the flower, and it went pretty well actually, even with my bad scissors, and I am planning on buying new scissors because I have seen these cutter bee scissors and I like them very much. I think I will like them very much because everyone's using it and everyone's saying that it's the best out there. So yeah, I will try to save up some and get it for me. So yeah. Yeah, because the papers aren't big enough to make a full cover. And now I am just using one of the paper clips that came in the classified kit, and because they are not big enough, I have to use 2 papers and quite a big chunk of it. And to be honest, this whole process of getting my cover changed wasn't really difficult to do, but since I was figuring out things as I've gone, it just seems to be difficult, so it wasn't really that much difficult. So yeah, I will be using my usual glue and some double-sided tape, which I'm pretty glad that I went with that. It gave more stickiness, so it's better sticking there. Yay! And we are almost done. And that's the part when I haven't realized that my camera died on me because usually after filming like for 3 hours you would check your camera if it wants to die on you or not, but nope, I didn't do that. So yeah, I made the cover and I'm pretty happy with it. And yes, my camera died. So what I did initially is I stapled it back because I don't have these hole punch, no, not hole punch, but these owl tools to get for you to sew it together. So I just stapled it back because a long arm staple, I have one. And now I am trying to decide what kind of alphabets, so how I want to do my title of August 2018. And it was really hard for me to decide because everything that came in the kit was either orange or a very light shade of yellow. So in the end I decided, yes, I decided to put it aside, my Daisy Dori, and do my dashboard first. So yeah, it's a hot mess. I know, I'm just like that. It's like every time I try to create or I sit down and doing something creative, my workspace just narrows down from the minute to the minute. It's like they are out there to get me. I don't know, it's weird, but yeah, that's how it is. So back to the Daisy Dori again this time, and what I try to do, I have these alpha stamps. They are from Hero Arts and Kelly Perky, and they are outline alphas, and I love them because you can either color them as you want, or you can stamp them on petan paper as you see, and fussy cut them. Yeah. So now I am stamping the alphas on these papers, and usually you would think that I am waiting for the stamp to dry, but nope, I am getting my hands all over them. And yeah, that's the point when I realized that maybe I should let them dry first. So I'm just nope and I'm going back again and smudging the whole alphabet. Yay, 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 that's my T. That's my T for August. And I just keep going, and it will look horrible, trust me. And after some time I do decide to put it aside, I guess. No, not even now. Wow. I didn't even remember stamping so many rows. Oh yeah. I was counting the alphas, how many I need. So yeah, that's when I really changed to making my dashboard for the month. and I really loved. As I said, I have said, I always. Sorry, maybe next time. So I also get the memory keeping pocket kit, and you get so many things with it, which you can use not just for memory keeping, but also in your daily planner things. So yeah, I am using the 6x6 papers and the 4x6 cards to do my dashboard. And this one with the teacups I loved very much, and I don't know why would they put that big smiley, and I know that's an Alice in Wonderland theme, but why would you put that big smiling creepy thing on the back side? Who's using that? Who would like that? Honestly, me not. Yeah, so I have decided on the that's when I was okay. I don't see that when it's closed, but I will see that if I am opening it up. I mean, lettering through the pages and through the things that's in my planner. So yeah, I definitely want something that covers up that big creepy smile there. And there was this quote from Alice. It's, what did it say? I'm sorry, which says, yeah, but I nearly forgot, you must close your eyes, otherwise you won't see anything, Alice. And I love this quote very much, so I just used it. But I do think in the end I decided to go with a pattern paper on the other side for the teacups and for this quote from Alice as well. Yes, I did indeed. And I still like it. It's funny, I know. Oh, I am watching myself doing things, and I still like it. And as I am seeing this, I am like, oh, that's cool. I like that. Oh gosh. I really like how this all August setup came out. It's really it's my third box with Coco Daisy, and this is one of my this is my favorite so far. I really like it. These are all the colors that are my very favorites. And yes, those are tiny, aren't they? And I am fussy cutting with my craft knife, my A for August. And to be honest, the easiest one to fussy cut was the U, of course. And when I was there and when I was doing this whole thing, and it's really time consuming, I was thinking about, no, how could I have gone there to think that I want to do this? Because these caliper key outline alphas are tiny. They are tiny, like I'm sure you can see how tiny they are. it took me a lot of work. Yeah, a lot of work and a lot of patience. But oh well. So I've got my tweezers out, and I guess I will get also back to no. Oh yeah, we have also gotten a extra sheet of deco stickers and date dots. Well, actually date hexagons for in the planner classified kit. And I was thinking about using the 20 and the 18 to indicate the 2018, but no, in the end I will use August 2018, and I will use the alpha stamps and stamp it on my Daisy Dori. So actually this is the end of the video, and yeah, thank you for joining me for my first setup video, part 2, and I hope you will have a wonderful week, and I hope I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.